Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Alex Ryan, and if you're looking to start something on Amazon, maybe you're sort of wanting to jump onto importing from China, finding winning products, and perhaps even selling these on Amazon and building out your Amazon FBA business. Thanks for dropping by. Now, we're today going to actually look at some of the products or how I would probably do my research. If you're looking to get started and you're not too sure what the next step is, then stay with me because we're going to do some research right now. So I'm on the Amazon store right here, okay? And let's say, for example, I'm going to do an everyday household item, and that's usually what I start with my students and with myself as well. When I'm looking for hot products, I usually start with general household items, anything that's sort of used every day or every 2 or 3 days. That's what I usually stick with. So let's do coffee mugs, right? Because we basically use that every single day if you drink coffee. All right, so we're looking at coffee mugs today. And some people might be asking, you know what, Alex, do coffee mugs really sell on Amazon? Like, are they really a popular product? Would people buy coffee mugs on Amazon? And the answer to that is yes, they do. And they buy a lot of them. And let's just look at some of the stats. And if you're looking to, by the way, I should mention that there are a lot of tools out there. I use about 6 tools in conjunction with each other because I want to ensure that I'm making the right decision when choosing a winning product. I don't just use one tool, I use multiple tools. And that's probably something I would advise you guys to do as well. I've got a list of tools and I use quite a few different things, but I used to do this stuff by hand, guys, and this has saved me at least about 1,000 hours already this year. And we're only actually in the March right now. So, all right, so here will tell me what the revenues are per month, and I usually sort by reviews. That's what I usually do. Okay. Now, what I'm looking for ideally is people making money in these niches. I'm looking at the best seller rank. I'm looking at the daily sales. I'm looking at the amount of reviews that they have. So low reviews, high amounts of gross sales is usually a good thing, because the goal of Amazon really is you want to be ranking quite fast, quite soon on your product, and you want to get as many reviews as you possibly can in the quickest amount of time. And it's kind of like points, when you're playing tennis and you want to really point up really darn fast, right? So you get ahead of all the other people. So, for example, you see this one right here. Now, this particular, it's Contigo. That's a big brand, okay? If you're not aware of it, then, it is a brand. Okay, you're aware of it now. They're doing 150 grand a month. This is a month, by the way. And they've got 10,000 reviews. Now, that's going to take you, if you wanted to compete with that, it's going to take you a heck of a lot of time to get up to that point. So I'd be like, so what I would jump on is something like this, okay, which is, this looks like it's a set of 6 basic porcelain mugs, right? 41 reviews, but they're doing 8,000 USD per month. Now, that's pretty darn good. That's not, it's pretty good pocket money. I'm sure it's good, a little beer money for you, right? Or wine money or massage money, right? But that's pretty darn good. Good rating, obviously, 10 daily sales. It's quite healthy profit in terms of price. Like, I don't choose anything over $100. I normally shy away from, and the reason for that is if it's $150, $160, if they're looking to buy a tent or something on Amazon, and you'll be like, hey honey, or hey love, what do you think of this? It's $160. I don't know whether I should. And you want to get friends' opinions and the pet rocks opinions, and everyone needs to be involved because it's an expensive product, right, for some people. So. But if it's $100, it's a pretty easy darn decision. So they're like, yep, great, $100, boom, buy now button. So less people need to be consulted. So that's why I sort of stay within that little range right there. The roughly $35 recommended retail price to $100, right? Now let's go down the rankings here. This person's doing 5 grand USD per month. They've got 15 reviews. That's pretty good. And let's actually look at the coffee mug. Pretty basic, right? Now, you might be asking yourself, why are these selling like crazy? Like, why are they making money? Why can't people just go to like Walmart or Kmart or Target or why can't they just go to the local department store or drugstore down the road and buy it? Well, the answer is not because they're lazy. Some people might say they are lazy, but if you have Prime membership, now if you're not too sure what Prime membership is, you pay it once a year, and you get like 2-day delivery, or sometimes even same-day delivery. Like Amazon's just, now they're doing drones and everything. They're testing out the drones. But same day or next day delivery, And if I was looking to buy a set of mugs, I would have to get in the car, I'd have to drive down to the supermarket or the grocery store and park the car and walk in and, go and find these mugs. Where are they, right? But Amazon has made it so convenient where you could just click a button, buy the mug, and next day delivery. Okay, and sometimes and most of the time, free shipping as well. So why go down all the way down to the market where you could just have it delivered to your door next day? I was in New Orleans a few months back, and I remember driving along these streets, and every 10th house, I would say, would have an Amazon box outside it. Kid you not, right? It was just nuts. And I saw this, and in Australia, that isn't really big yet, right? But it will be. But over there's a lot more people over there buying this stuff and used to and trust. I mean, Amazon is one of the most trusted brands in the world. So that's why that's why general household stuff does sell very well on Amazon, because the convenience or laziness, right? But convenience. So that's why people are buying stuff, right? So, guys, don't shy away from the general household stuff, because their general household stuff does actually sell, right? People do buy it, right? You might think, oh, people aren't going to buy that sort of stuff. Well, the stats are here. People are buying. People are making 77 grand a month, or 4 grand a month, or 13 grand a month, right? People are actually buying this sort of stuff. So don't shy away. Don't think you have to go niche within a niche within a niche, that no one's ever heard of, and that's the only way you're going to make money with Amazon, and that's just simply not true. So guys, thanks for joining me today, and have an awesome day. If you are wanting to start an Amazon business or looking to get started with selling on Amazon, but your biggest thing holding you back is the product, connect with us, because that's exactly what we've been doing. For the last 8 years, I've been a professional product finder, so I've been finding products for my clients and for my students. So if you're not too sure about how to find winning products, if you're not too sure what the next step is, right, connect with us. Give us a call today at the office, or connect with us, shoot us an email, jump on Facebook Messenger, whatever way you want to do is contact us through the toaster, all right? But get in contact with us and let's have a chat, and let's see if we can work together. Have an awesome day. Happy Amazon, to your success on Amazon, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.